What's up, y'all? What's going on, man? Today we're gonna be changing out these headlights bulbs right here in this KFX 450. I'm gonna show you what they look like. If y'all can see, that's what they look like right there. Easy process. I got the LED ones. I'm changing them out real quick. All right, first thing we gotta do is pull off this shit right here. Just to be a grommet right here. This just comes right off like this. Now this is our harness for it. Should just push and twist out like so. That's it. And the bulb just comes right out. I can feel the bulb right now. Just gotta get my fingers there to get it out. Hands a little bit cold. Y'all been out here working on the foil all day. It ain't the hottest out here right now. And this is the old bulb right here. You see it has a notch on it so we can put it in the right way. All right, these are my new bulbs that I got right here. And here is one of them right here. It's a little bit longer also though. See, they got the same notch right there, so you know how to put it in there. And it just goes back in the exact same way it came out. Just find your notch, put it in there. I can see the notch in here. When you get in there and put it in yourself, you'll be able to see the notch. Right here, this got 3 notches on also. This fits right in there. You see, you can see right in there the way it fits. All right, when you put it in there, make sure you push it in, you twist it, you feel it lock in there. Ain't coming back out. All you gotta do is replace your grommet. You can see the difference. All right, now we're gonna test it out, see if we can see the difference between one of them, see what they look like. All right, there you have it. This right here is our low beam. Check out the high beam. A little bit much brighter. Might be the opposite. Maybe this is the high beam, this would be the low beam. Probably just because it got the light might be flipped around. But put these lights in, these are my high beams right here. This is what these are looking like. Here is your low beams. I can see it's a lot brighter already. Yeah, just as easy as that, y'all. It's gonna be it for right now. KFX 450 changing out the lights. Got some LED lights in there now. Ready to do some light riding. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Go home.